Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix line busy when calling. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on connection and sharing. Scroll down. Reset Wi-Fi or mobile network. Reset your mobile network. Tap on reset setting. You can confirm your mobile network is reset. Step 2. Again open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search phone. Tap on phone. Again tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 3. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps to fix line busy when calling problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.